We give structure to structures. We give form to function. We give solidity to ideas, strength to a vision, and substance to space. At Metromont, we help make things happen. Because at Metromont, we help make things. We help make things that are tangible, durable, real, and important. We make things that are substantial and concrete, because what we make is concrete. Precast, reliable, efficient concrete. Concrete has been with us for thousands of years. It was there in ancient Rome. It was there in ancient Greece. And it remains in the ancient pyramids of Egypt. Which doesn't make concrete old. It makes it indispensable. It makes concrete a critical part of history and of progress. Progress that Metromont has improved upon through innovation, through modernization, and by building a family of smart, hard-working associates who share and abide by our values and vision. At Metromont, we don't cut corners. We place quality above saving $1 here and $1 there. And we treat our clients and each other with the utmost respect and transparency. At Metromont, we are here to serve, to build, to help create those structures that keep our world moving forward. We do this through unparalleled expertise, experience, and exacting standards. Yes, we make precast concrete. Yes, we make the stuff that helps make the structure. But in the end, what we really offer at Metromont is a level of service, of efficiencies, of workmanship, and of peace of mind that simply can't be matched. That's why we come to work every day. That's what we expect of ourselves. And that's what we intend to deliver on every project, in every region, in every state that we serve. Metromont. Our values are as solid as our work.